Welcome to this guided meditation for releasing the pain of a broken heart and healing emotional wounds. This meditation is designed to help you let go of past hurts, limiting beliefs, and emotional discord, allowing you to move forward with a sense of peace and wholeness. I invite you to join in with an open heart and mind. Begin by finding a comfortable space, either sitting or laying down. Turn off your phone, close the door, and dedicate this time to yourself. Close your eyes, take in deep breaths, and consciously inhale and exhale. Take a moment to unwind your body and quiet your mind. Then join me in these affirmations. Dear God, in the big picture of life, we are surrounded by lots of good things. Your world is beautiful and we have many good things in our lives. There is so much happiness, light and love around us all the time. But sometimes we don't feel it or accept it because our hearts are closed and hurt. Help us to look inside ourselves and find you. Please open our hearts and let us feel close to you. Help us to believe that you are always with us, loving us and accepting us no matter what. You are like a kind and understanding Father with so much acceptance and love. You accept us just as we are, and we can always talk to you honestly and openly. In moments of sorrow and despair, we turn to you, knowing that you are the ultimate healer of broken hearts. Though our pain may feel overwhelming, we trust in your boundless love and compassion to guide us through. Help us to see the beauty and abundance of life that surround us even in our darkest moments. Open our hearts to receive your light and grace, and grant us the courage to look within and seek your presence. You are our loving Father, ever understanding and accepting of our flaws and struggles. We find peace in the knowledge that you are always with us, ready to listen to our sincerest prayers and offer your unwavering support. When we try to control our own fate, we feel alone and powerless. But with your infinite power, all things are possible. So we are humbly ask for your help in opening our hearts to the truth, so that we may find faith, happiness, and healing in your presence. We believe that with you, all wounds can be healed in an instant. Grant us the strength to trust in your divine plan, knowing that you are always working for our highest good. Amen.